Hello everyone and welcome to Flavorful Cooking. I will be showing you how to make cinnamon rolls. This recipe makes 12 cinnamon rolls. For this recipe you would need half a cup of white sugar, 2/3 cup of brown sugar, half a cup of water, 1 egg, 1.5 teaspoons active dry yeast, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon and 1.5 teaspoons of milk, 1.5 teaspoons butter softened, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1.5 teaspoons butter softened, and 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Warm the milk in a small saucepan until it bubbles. Then remove from the heat. Remove from heat when the milk starts to roll up the dough using a little water to seal the seam. In a bowl, stir together brown sugar, cinnamon, and mix well. Cut each roll into 6 slices using a very sharp knife or dental floss. Repeat the steps again with the second dough. Place the rolls onto a greased baking pan. Cover and let rise until almost doubled. This will take about 1 hour. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 190 degrees Celsius. Bake in preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes until golden brown. Let the cinnamon rolls cool for about 10 minutes. To make frosting, you would need 3 ounces cream cheese softened, 1 cup and 1 tablespoons of confectionate sugar, 1 tablespoon and 1½ teaspoons milk, 1/4 teaspoons vanilla extract. To make frosting, combine confectionate sugar, cream cheese, and vanilla. Add milk gradually until frosting reaches a spreading consistency. When the cinnamon rolls are cooled, apply frosting. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye bye now.